In the 20th century, automation changed the job market by replacing many blue-collar workers with machines. Factory workers and manual laborers lost their jobs as companies focused on efficiency and profit. As a result, young people were encouraged to study information technology, software development, and other white-collar skills, which were seen as stable and secure careers. Today, however, artificial intelligence is starting to threaten those same professions. AI can now write code, analyze data, prepare reports, and carry out complex office tasks. Just as machines replace physical labor in factories, AI is beginning to replace mental and technical work once done by highly educated professionals. White-collar workers, including IT specialists and software developers, now face similar risks to those experienced by blue-collar workers in the past. Most of the benefits from this change go to large technology companies and billionaire investors, which increases inequality.